Hello and welcome back to another Plan With Me video. So today I'm going to be planning out the month of January, and I'm going to be using this New Year, New Me kit. This is from the Monthly Mystery, and the reason why I'm doing this, I'm going to be setting up my monthly and showing you how I envisioned this kit to be used. I'm also going to be pulling in the months, which also comes in the kit, and then that other sheet there is a little extra that I have in my shop, which has like all the major holidays and important dates basically. So the way that I'm set this up is so that you can use it on either side of your planner. So if you have a sidebar on the right, you can use it one way, or if your sidebar is on the left, you use it the other way. It's very, very easy, and that is why I'm going to do this plan with me to show you. So this is my TPC Nation planner, and not all planners are made equal. So some have sidebar on the right, some have sidebar on the left, some have big header areas at the top, some have smaller header areas at the top. This one I did size for the TPC Nation planner, but you will see later on in this video, I'm going to do a little live section at the end, so stick around for that, and I will show you what I mean by not all planners are created equal. Some have smaller areas, and so I have done a few little more changes. You will see I have changed up a few things again, which is something that I do quite often, so I hope you don't mind, but I'm constantly looking for better, easier, more functional ways to use my planners and to provide kits for you guys that you will actually love and be able to use, and that are easy and that are fun and not frustrating. So that is how you use that section right there. You see how you have all those boxes that come off. So if your sidebar was on the other side, you would have swapped these two artworks. So you would have Belle starting on the other side, and then you would have Hercules starting on this side if that is where your sidebar is, and then you would just take out that end piece. So you would take out, instead of the Mad Hatter section being gone, Hercules section would be gone on the other side, and then your sidebar would go in there. And that is what we're going to put down next. So also days of the week. So depending on your planner style, mine is my monthly view is a Sunday start, and the reason why I do a Sunday start is because it's easier for me to look at all of these type of planners. So if I'm looking at my phone, or I'm looking at my computer, or I'm looking at a wall calendar, most of them are a Sunday start. So the monthly section, I like to start on a Sunday so that they match. Otherwise, I will get confused. If I have a Monday start here, it's going to mess me up. But you may be a person that loves your months to start on a Monday, so you have the option with the kits now to pull off and start with a Monday or a Sunday. It doesn't matter. You do you. It's all good. So I'm just going to put down all of the days of the week, where I put this like little bar right there kind of as a guide. It's kind of like just a place for you to put your days of the week and your script at the end, whether it's to-dos, importance, this week's, whatever it is that you want to put over your column on the side, the sidebar column. You put whatever you like. I changed that for all of the months forward. That is a white, like a whited out little section right there, so that it will always be white from now on. I'm not going to do anything colored. I was trying to do like a glitter strip, but then not have it be bright and glittery. I don't know. It's me experimenting. That's what I do. Do it all the time. And now put down the sidebar. So here is Beast with his book, and he is behind a whited out section so that you can use it functionally. I'm going to put January down at the bottom, sideways, because I love my artwork and I don't want to cover it up with the months. So I'm putting it down at the bottom, but you can put it anywhere. You could put it at the bottom. You can put that anywhere you want, or just leave it off. If you know what month you're in, then I guess you don't really need it. But now I'm just figuring out where to put all my date dots, which are also a part of the kit. And you will see that this kit, the way that it's set up right here, what you're seeing is changing. And I apologize. I know I just did this one, but every time I use one of my own kits, I find things that I don't like. And I find things that I don't use, and I change it. I want to make it functional for everyone and easy to use, and I'm trying to condense the pages so that you get the same, what you need, not too much, but also not too little, and in a way that is, how do I say it? I don't know how to put it the right way. I'm not trying to be cheap, but trying to make it less expensive for both of us. So if I can save money making it, I can pass the savings on to you guys. So because I've switched over to the unicorn paper, things are a little bit more expensive. Unicorn paper is literally twice as much as what I was using before, so I have had to increase costs in some places. So condensing things and using less pages but more space is just a good idea. It's just functionally better for you, cost-wise better for you, cost-wise better for me, a lot less waste, etc., etc. And then I can pass that savings on in to you guys. So now I'm just kind of putting down, you saw I put down all my date dots. I skipped ahead of that because you didn't want to see me doing all that. And now I'm just putting down some of the labels. So I'm showing you that these labels fit inside the boxes quite nicely. You can put scripts in there, you can write in there, you can do whatever it is that you want. But in the month of January, I've got 3 birthdays that I need to put scripts down for. So in my important dates page that you can pick up in the shop, I have things like anniversaries, birthdays, holidays, things that aren't holidays, but like tax day, things that are important dates that you kind of want to remember. And then you are able to add them into your monthly, your little monthly spread on these like smaller things, or you can just add them directly to it like I did that. So that's New Year's. So what else am I going to put on here? I have a few other like little things just to kind of show you what all fits in here. It's pretty much because it's January. I do have quite a bit of things going on, but it's nothing that I can really put down right now. I use a lot of these label boxes, sale starting times, things like that, TPC sale stuff, hauls, all kinds of things when I'm trying to put them in here. So I will put down my big boxes, and in those big boxes, I will write out whatever it is that's going on for that day. I don't have scripts for everything. Sometimes it's just a flag where I will put down like a payday or something. Yeah, so pretty much just kind of showing you where things fit, how they fit, how I use them. And then, yeah, pretty much most of this is going to change. So well, stay tuned just for a few more minutes, and then we'll start the live portion where I'm going to show you what I did since doing this video, which is why I wanted to show you this video. Functionality still the same way, right or left, but starting right now, I will explain what's coming up next. Alrighty, so now we are going to get into the part where I tell you all of the shop updates and the news and show you some of the new printable / physical kits that you can get in the shop, and to kind of give you an idea of where I'm trying to go for 2022. So one of the things that I love is printable shops. I covet them. I'm constantly looking for them, and I went looking for monthlies for the entire year. I needed to set up both of my planners. I need them to be done, the monthly sections to be done all throughout the entire year, because I have things that need to go in there that I can reference as I'm making plans for the current month that I'm in, which is probably about 90% of you. But I was having trouble finding kits for each month already out there because people don't want to like jump into and get the artwork. You know, artists are coming out with new stuff every month. And I've decided to go and look for things that I feel are universal throughout months and months and months. So some of them are obvious, and then some of them can be for pretty much any month. I've put up 9 new kits in the shop, both printable and physical. I'm going to show you 3 of them right here, and I'll show you one that I started to use in my book, decided to stop and just kind of show it to you really quick so that you can see the difference between right and left side sidebars. Anyway, so I'm going to show you these right here. Some of the kits that I just put up are very month specific, obviously like Halloween ones you're going to want to use during Halloween time, things like that. But then I tried to go with ones that are more neutral. So this one's called My Happy Place, and this is the new format as well. So what I'm trying to do is to make the printables and the physical ones basically the same. So if you want the printable version of it and you want to print and cut it at home and use it, you can. It's going to be the same thing almost as what you get in the physical form. So if you want the same exact thing, you know what you're getting, but you don't have the ability to print and cut it, you'll get the same thing in physical form. So that's something that I'm working on right now, redoing some of the formatting for the regular kits and for the monthlies. So nothing has changed as far as how this is used. So same thing here. This one's called My Happy Place, and look at how beautiful this is. Just this artwork is absolutely gorgeous. So you've got all of your full top stuff here, and you've seen how to use this where you can choose which side depending on your sidebar. So here is your big full box with your whited out boxes that you can start, like you can start Sunday, you can start Monday, whatever makes you happy. And then here I've added a couple of glitter strips here that are they're actually longer than this, so that if you have a planner that this is a little bit shorter, some of them have a really tall top section for washi and some of them have a shorter section. So if you have one that's a little bit longer, you can use this washi strip either in between the two if you want to put like a break between the two at the top or at the bottom, totally up to you. But I added these two glitter strips in so that you can do that. So here's your first page, a couple of little half boxes, actually those are quarter boxes, and some labels. Then on page 2, this is the second half, another gorgeous scene right here, second half of your page, and this is the one where these two boxes right here are cut out. So if your planner is on the other side, I mean your column is on one side or the other, you will just remove whichever box it is and then line it up to be on that side or that side. So this sheet right here will be either on page 1 or page 2 depending on where your sidebar is. Then you've got some half boxes here, some I wanted to do some flags, something a little bit simple, so I did some flags with some bill dues and some paydays. If you can hear the cat in the background, I apologize, he's a pain. More labels. This is your page 3, which has your sidebar. It's whited out so that you can write in here, you can put your notes, whatever, but it still has that beautiful scene in the background. More half boxes, quarter boxes, some more label boxes, some more flags, a full box here so that if you have like a section at the end that you want to put a full box and it's got a full scene behind it but still whited out so you can use it. I wanted the monthly sections to be very functional. You've got some scripts here that I kind of tucked in at the bottom trying to use up all the space. Then there's these two smaller sheets. So you have a full sheet of months so you can decide what month you want to use your planner, your kits on, and then this one has all of your date dots, your days of the week of this month, some more little labels. You've got some bill dues right here, which are great for your monthly views, and then some more scripts for things that you might want to like put into places like here, just to like if there happens to be a no school or a snow day that day, or it's your day to budget or your grocery shopping day, whatever it is, you've got that. So this is the way that the new format is for the monthlies. I will do another video showing you how the weekly format is going to go. But until then, I just wanted to kind of show you what I've been working on. This one is a really cute one, vintage Halloween for obviously October. But here's your page 1, here's your page 2. This one is your sidebar, your page 3. And there you're going to see that all the formats are the same. The only thing that changes is the artwork and the color scheme. And then your monthly, both printable and physical. And then this one is another one of those ones that you can use pretty much any month. It's called Quiet Afternoon. It's really, really beautiful, where she's just sitting in front of this window drinking her coffee. She's surrounded by beautiful things. She's got her books, her glasses, her coffee cups. She's got her warm fuzzy blanket. So this could be a good one for like early fall, maybe like a September kit. Gorgeous. Then this is your next page, which just kind of gives you a kind of a bigger view of that beautiful cabinet with her pillows and her flowers and her mugs. And then this one is the tall box of her drinking her coffee, sitting under the light at the window. And then again with your monthly and this one. So you will be seeing some changes in the shop as far as like, check out the printable section. I'll be adding kits to it quite a bit. Check out the new release section because you will see all the new artwork that will also come out. Everything is going to be printable and physical. So you will see both things in both sections depending on what it is. The only thing that I'm not going to be doing a printable for is the monthly mystery. That's always going to be something that if you want it, you got to get it while it's there, and it's exclusive artwork, so it's not going up there. However, it doesn't mean other exclusive artwork won't go up there. I'm telling you, all Harry Potters are going up in the printable. So if it's something that you want, it's going to go. I just need time to get it up there. I wanted to get the monthlies done first because it is almost January, and that is something that people really need. So this is just to give you an idea. So this is my A&N. My A&N is on the other side. The video I just did was on this side. Right before you're watching this part, this one's on this side. So you can see how you just like literally swap. That's it. One side to the other. And then again, these are all, you pick what day of the week you want it to start it on. So if you want this to be a Sunday, it can be a Sunday, or you can start it on a Monday. I did this one on a Monday. I don't know why I did it because now I'm kind of mad. I usually start on a Sunday, so this is going to mess me up. I will go back and fix it. I was just kind of playing around and I thought I should add this to the video as I was starting to edit that other video. So that's it. This is all I have for you right now. Shop update. Last thing, I am not doing a sale in the month of January. The shop is open, and obviously the monthly mysteries will go out just like normal. Everything will be loaded up on the 1st, but I have, those are things that are already printed and done. The reason why I'm not doing a sale is because my shop is an absolute disaster right now. Things are getting packed up and moved because we have new flooring coming in this month. So I'm trying to stay open, but at a smaller scale. So a sale would really just throw that all into chaos for me even more. So I'm down to like minimum printers, minimum cutters, minimum space. And so that is why I'm not in the sale this month, but I will be applying to the sale in February. So all of these things will be available then. They'll be available now. And yep, that's it. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you again with the next video. Have a great day. Bye.